All right. We finished the inspection 2812 Rogan Road in Orlando. And this one was a little bit more challenging than most. I got beat up at this one. Renee could tell the story someday. Anyway, here's what you got. I'm going to give you the major components first, and then I'm going to rely on the inspection report that I sent to you for all the things that we did collect as far as information. I don't have an age on the roof. Renee disclosed to me that it was disclosed that the roof was coated in 2007. Whatever it was coated with is expired. So I think that in inspecting this roof, the roof will need to be replaced much sooner than I was anticipating. When I went up there, I do see there are some areas that are very brittle. There's some cracking and alligatoring, and that's just a term of multiple types of cracks that look like the back of an alligator. I would say that that would be a priority. Roof would probably be a first priority. Structurally, it's very sound. I don't really see any major structural problems. Some real positives, though, is that the windows were upgraded probably twice in the past. There are some single pane windows in the house, but there's also some real good quality double pane windows installed here in the living room, which I thought was a very nice touch, because the house that's built in the 50s, usually you get the older windows and the efficiency is really bad. This not so much. As far as the air conditioning goes, it's a 2.5-ton Nordyne. I think these units were replaced inside and out in 2009, okay, just so you know, making them about 8 or 9 years old, and it's performing just fine right now. The numbers were good on it. I'm going to recommend a cleanup and just some installation things that, minor things that we're used to running into. If you read them and you're confused about them or you have a question, you can call me. But as far as I'm concerned, the air conditioning system is working and it's in fairly decent condition. The plumbing was redone, I believe, in the late 90s. I think we found a permit for 1999, which is good. So you have new or newer water pipes. They're about 18 years old. And that's throughout. Kitchen, bathrooms all show the same thing. And that looks to be in good condition. I didn't have any leaks or any kind of big problems as far as the plumbing goes. The electrical is kind of a mixed bag. The main panel was upgraded previously. I don't have a date on that, but that's a Siemens panel. It's okay. The amperage is about 200 amp. Inside, we have a Federal Pacific panel as a sub panel, but I'll tell you, the wiring in that panel and the panel itself is in excellent condition. So I would lean towards having an electrician look at it, see what they think. Talk to your insurance company about what the policies that they have on Federal Pacific are, and then kind of run with the information you get. But as far as I'm concerned, there wasn't any problems with the panel inside, and I did take temperatures of the inside, and they were normal. For us, anything within 20 degrees of ambient temperature is normal. So that was good. Now the electrical items I have for repair, there's going to be about 12 of them, and they're just, I think they're just someone who redid some of the wiring. They just made several mistakes, and I think that these 12 items can be cleared up rather easily. I don't have an estimate for you on it, but I don't think it's going to be a major project. In other words, it's about 12 items that just need to be addressed. How and when you address them is up to you. Exterior, I did have some wood rot, a couple different locations, but again, minor wood rot at the fascia from water. And those were at the back corners of the house. This is the one behind my right shoulder and behind my left shoulder. There's a septic tank in the backyard. I didn't know if that was something everyone was aware of or not, but I located it, I took pictures of it, and I'll have more information in the inspection report on that for you. But as far as I'm concerned, considering the age of the house, it inspected pretty well. So when you receive the report, if you do have questions, just email me or call me. Thank you for your business.
Appreciate it, Paul.
Thank you.